This session covers the concept of organic farming and the benefits associated with it. Organic farming is a form of agriculture that relies on techniques such as crop rotation and biological pest control. Crop rotation is the practice of planting a series of different crops on the same tract of land over a period of years. Crop rotations should have crops from different plant families following each other. Example: beans, corn, cabbage. It involves vegetable and livestock production using natural sources of nutrients such as compost, crop residues, and manure, and natural methods of crop and weed control instead of using synthetic or inorganic chemicals. Organic agriculture does not involve use of pesticides. Because of this, the food produced is called as power charged foods. Organic foods also contain more phytochemicals, so called as medicinal foods. Organic production is a holistic system designed to optimize the productivity and fitness of diverse communities within the agro ecosystem, including soil organism, plants, livestock, and people. The principal goal of organic production is to develop enterprises that are sustainable and harmonious within the environment. Organic production is based on principles that support healthy practices. These principles aim to increase the quality and durability of the environment through specific management and production methods. They also focus on the humane treatment of animals. The general principles of organic production include protecting the environment, minimizing soil degradation and erosion, decreasing pollution, optimizing biological productivity, and supporting a sound state of health. Next is maintaining long-term soil fertility by optimizing conditions for biological activity within the soil and maintaining biological diversity within the system. Another important principle is it involves recycling materials and resources to the greatest extent possible within the enterprise and provide attentive care that promotes the health and meets the behavioral needs of livestock. It should incorporate preparation of organic products, emphasize careful processing and handling methods in order to maintain the organic integrity and vital qualities of the products at all stages of production.